Hello and welcome to my YouTube tutorial series. Today I'm gonna make some beautiful UI mobile that I found on Dribble shop. It's Supermart created by Niranjan Kumar. So I'm gonna build it into a React Native app. Before we get started, I just made an initial project on my GitHub repository and description below. So I'll open up app.js and we have a three component over here. A splash screen, a home screen, and a tail screen. And we're gonna make a splash screen first. So I'm gonna create this part. And I want to remove the header. So if you want to remove the header, what you should to do, create the option common attribute, and inside it there is an object, and header sounds false. Open up your splash screen, and we're gonna add a status bar. Imported from React Native, and a background color is gonna be green. And the bar style is light content. We also create a view. I'm gonna place an image. Splash.png, and we create another view, and we're gonna make an SVG component. I'm using React Native SVG, and the component is gonna be logo from the asset images logo.svg. We'll put in here. Can't find variable image. And we have an image and a logo. I'm gonna resize this logo. Height is maybe a 16, and width also width 16, 60 I mean. And we create another view and tag here. Tag as welcome. Now we create a line break. To Supermart. Another tag. A series to your tools tab. And we create another view. To save it first. I'm gonna put the button here. I'm gonna use touchable observy, and inside it I create some text component, and text value is kept stored. Okay, now we're gonna make some style here. I'm gonna make it constant. Styles is style set create container. The container is the part of contain. So I'm gonna put the styles container here. And flex this one. And the background color, it's gonna be green. Justify content. Let's flex in because I want to make this button and this logo is in the button of the content. And the align items is center. Also, I'm adding a padding horizontal is 50 and padding button is 20%. And you're gonna make some hop cycle here. How to make tape. I'm gonna put some style. And the style is splash. And the splash is position is gonna be of salad. Salad. Top is Dribble. And align items is center. And justify content, flex in. And background color is orange. And overflows hidden. Okay, we're gonna make it round. So I'm gonna create a constant over here. The constant is width and height. It's from mention. Get window. Gonna add some width. It's gonna be 8 divided by 1.5 and a height is a height 21.5. And we can make a pointer radius is 1. I'm gonna place it into right. So I'm gonna put the left is width divided by 4. Okay. Seems nice. Move into a logo. I'm gonna create a style logo. And the logo is make a beacon color into white. And height is gonna be 680 and height is also 80 and body radius is also 80. A 100. It's not 80. But justify content to center. Align items center. It's not circle anyway. 80 to 100. Oh, I'm sorry. It's gonna be weird. There you go. And we add another style here. And the style is gonna be a wrapper. And the wrapper styles is, maybe I cannot make the width into 100%. And we're gonna modify the text component. The styles, title, and here is styles the subtitle, and I'm gonna style title. Font family is Montserrat. Summable. The font size is 36. And the color is white. And the text line center. Make it 20 American 20, or you can just margin vertical 20. Okay, and a subtitle. This font family is Montserrat regular. And the font size is 20. Color is also white. And the line is center. Okay. And we add style to a button. You cannot create a styles button. And the button style is icon color is blue. And color is there's no color to it. It has padding 20 and border radius is also 20. Okay, again styling this text. The styles take pattern. Text pattern is color will be white. And family is Montserrat. Cool. The text line will be center. Okay. Also adding a padding top here, I guess. I'm in margin. It's gonna be 40. Okay. We're gonna add some shadow. So get shadow color as black. and shadow offset with 0, 8 is 3, and the shadow radius is 5, and shadow opacity is 0.5. And we add elevation for Android this one. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna create another view on the next season. On the next chapter. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on the description below.